Welcome my friend for my next amazing video and tips. Let's move forward to the video. Many people are facing the problem about their Wi-Fi connection. They are trying many ideas and tips for solving the Wi-Fi problem in their laptop. But yet they are facing the same and common problem day by day. Once they solve it, they use for some times or some day or some month, and again they are facing the same problem again and again. What are the things that makes the Wi-Fi adapter this much worth nowadays? Let's see some points. First, Wi-Fi driver version. Second, Wi-Fi adapter connection. Third, Wi-Fi adapter updates. Fourth, Wi-Fi chip connection. Fifth, Wi-Fi card condition. Let's find out the problem first. If this is your first time at Easy IT channel, then click on the subscribe button and enable the notification to get more video and update. Okay, let's continue towards the title. Let's see the common problem we observe day by day in our life. First, Wi-Fi driver. How to observe our Wi-Fi driver? Let's click on Start menu, then search for Device Manager. You can see in the Device Manager, here is Network Adapter. I have the Realtek 8821CE wireless LAN Wi-Fi adapter. If you don't have this type of adapter, then you should have to search the appropriate driver for your laptop, and you have to install the Wi-Fi driver. If you have the Wi-Fi driver, then you are very lucky to get in next step. And another way to make the Wi-Fi adapter visible in your laptop is that you can search your driver from your computer also. Let's see when I disable or uninstall my driver. Let's uninstall. Here you cannot see the Wi-Fi adapter, and there is no any Wi-Fi signals in my laptop. Let's see how to install the Wi-Fi driver without our internet connection. You can right click on network adapter and scan for hard drive change, or you can directly click on above mentioned scan for hardware change. Here my laptop has scanned, and you can see the wireless LAN driver in my PC. After that, we need to restart our PC. After restarting of PC, check your Wi-Fi connection. Is it working well or not? Let's check my connection. I think it is working well. Let's connect to my network. Okay, you can see the connection. Let's check on any browser. Is it working well or not? Yes, it is working well. If you are having the problem again, then there is next step. You can update your driver. Let's get back to our device manager. In the device manager, again we have to go to network adapter, and we need to click on wireless LAN. Right click, you can see the update driver option. You can search the driver update on your internet browser or browse your PC for perfect driver. I will continue browser of my PC. I have the two Realtek browser. I will choose the second one and install and close. Please restart your PC and take the network adapter. My network adapter is working well, and you can manually update your driver by searching automatically for driver. As my driver is well updated, I am closing it. Next step is to diagnose your computer if it is having some issues on any of your driver or not. We are especially observing about the Wi-Fi adapter. Please do diagnose your PC. If you need any help on the diagnosis of PC, please comment below for the next video. And the last option, if anything I told on this video is not working, that means your Wi-Fi adapter is damaged or not clamping well in your laptop. Please contact to nearby workshop for laptop maintenance and tell them to check the Wi-Fi connection is working well or not. If it's damaged, please replace the Wi-Fi adapter and you can enjoy your internet connection well.